Namaskaram everyone. I hope everybody is doing good. And so in today's video, in today's class, we'll focus more on pranayama. Now before that, I would like to give a small suggestion to you. Now you see there are different kinds of energies available. Like there are three kinds of energies and called as sattvic, rajasic and tamasic state of energies, which are quite essential, and it is found everywhere in every place, and it has its own advantages and it has its own disadvantages also. So the thing is that I would request you to look out a detailed description about detailed explanation about these three kinds of energies and its functionalities and all in my another video, which may be given down below, or the link is given with this video. So do check out that to understand the concept of energy. So as soon as we come back from a sleep state, so what happens is we are dominant with a certain kind of energy called as tamasic energy, which is responsible for us to get a proper amount of good sleep and rest. So if that is persisting, then our sadhana, it is an obstruction to our sadhana. It is an obstruction to the practice that we are trying to do here. So to shut out that energy, what we can do is that do take a cold shower bath before taking the class. That is a prescription which can be given to a practitioner. So see that if that can be done, it is much more beneficial, because a kind of shift, there is a shift in the energy, and then you can get a good benefit out of it by doing that particular process of cleansing up yourself. So having said that, let's start with today's class with a little bit of warm up, please, with 10, 9, 8, please continue, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, next, a little faster please, little faster, fast, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, faster, faster, even faster, 4, 3, 1, and relax after completing the round. Relax after that, please. Next, hands rotation in one direction. Rotate your hand in a direction with your breath. Opposite direction after that, in reverse direction. Please remember synchronizing your hands movement with your breath. That's very important. One, and relax after completing the round. Next, stretch both the hands in front of you. Now open and close your fist, please. 8, 7, 6. Please continue long and deep breaths at the same time. 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax after completing the round. Attention to your shoulder now. Please rotate your shoulder, making a good round circles. 6, 5, 4, 3. Opposite direction after that, in reverse direction. 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, and relax after that, please. Next, we raise both the hands up as we breathe in. See that if you're having a backache related problem, please avoid doing this, bringing your forehead closer to the ground. Breathe in, spread your legs apart, and try bring your forehead. As we breathe out, breathe in up, breathe out. 4, breathe out. 3, breathe out. 2, breathe out, 1, breathe out, and relax after completing the round. Relax after that, please. Next, join all the fingers of both the hands individually, fingers on top of your shoulder, with hands elbow rotation in one direction with 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, opposite direction after that, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax after completing the round. Give a support to your back and hip rotation in one direction. Hip rotation. 5, 4, 3, 2, opposite direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax after completing the round. Relax after that, please. Now please be seated. Sit comfortably and easily onto the ground the way you would like to. Taking your attention to your stomach now, please. Attention to your stomach, abdominal, in Kapalbhati, with hands palm on top of your legs, thighs, with hands palm facing towards to the ceiling, spine comfortably straight, and eyes remains closed. In this, if this is your initial classes, see that you are opening up your eyes so that you may have to understand me properly, but see that your eyes remains closed. If you are quite comfortable, eyes remains closed in this entire process, and then please continue Kapalbhati. I believe that you might have seen my Kapalbhati video to have a in-depth explanation how Kapalbhati has to be done, or the advantages maybe if I have mentioned there. So, or I'll be explaining you the advantages of Kapalbhati in my upcoming classes also at the same time. So in Kapalbhati, keep continuing please. In this, as we breathe in, we fill up our stomach, bulge up our stomach, and as we breathe out, exhaling in one shot, we are exhaling the air out. Feel the stomach please. The way we are giving importance to the exhalation part, importance to the inhalation part as well, that's very important. Please keep continuing, but make sure that keep continuing. I may be speaking about Kapalbhati. Please keep continuing. I'll be trying to speak something and at the same time about Kapalbhati, but you can keep continuing your practice with your breath please. So in Kapalbhati, see that you are not doing well. That is kind of wrong. Well, I would suggest that do not do it in that way, because well, if you are on the younger side with age, then that's okay. But if you are, but it is like quite safe to do it in a slow manner. Though there are ways of doing it also in a faster way. But I would suggest that let us do it slow and smooth, so that nothing wrong happens, you know, when we do it little slower in a slow pace, because your stomach muscles cramps will not happen, or there will be not the chest muscle will not the heart muscles will not get arrested, or So such kind of problems may happen. Your lower back will not having start aching. So these are like a kind of disadvantages, we can say, if we try to do Kapalbhati for a very longer period of time and at the same time at a very faster speed actually. So like in other 30 seconds more in Kapalbhati. And relax after completing the round. Relax after that, please. With eyes remains closed. Just being with yourself for a few moments. With eyes remains closed. Next, slowly, please take your attention. Called as Bhastrika Pranayam. You can sit in Sukhasana itself, or if you are comfortable enough, please try sit in Vajrasana on top of your legs, in this way on your leg calf muscle. By keeping your spine comfortably straight, make a fist of your hand, fist close to the shoulder with hands loose and relaxed, with spine comfortably straight. Now in this, please observe one time. In this, as I breathe in, my hands goes up, breathing out. As my hands goes up, fist opens up, breathing out. So when I am going up, a little forceful inhalation happens, and as I coming down, a little forceful exhalation is happening. But see that you are not putting too much of pressure on your nostril as we are breathing in and breathing out. That's very important. And as my hands goes up, it is a normal one, and as my hands comes down, it's a free fall actually. My hands are like falling down without forceful. Instead of pulling down forcefully, it is just a free fall. That's it, right? Keeping that in mind, keeping your spine comfortably straight, head straight. Now, if you have understood, please eyes remains closed and make a fist of your hand, fist close to the shoulder, spine comfortably straight. Take a normal, long and deep breath in. Breathe out completely. In Bhastrika, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Breathe out. In. Breathe out. In. Breathe out. In, breathe out. In, breathe out. In, breathe out. In, breathe out. 5 more times. And relax after completing the round. Hands on top of your thighs, with hands palm wide open facing towards to the ceiling. Just being with yourself, please, with eyes remains closed for a few more moments. Last one more round of Bhastrika, keeping your eyes remains closed, please. The same one, just the previous one that we have done. Once again, make a fist of your hand, fist close to the shoulder with hands loose and relaxed, with spine comfortably straight. Take a normal, long and deep breath in. Breathe out completely in Bhastrika. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep continuing, please, in your own rhythm. Please keep continuing, breathing in, breathing out. This will help in expansion of your lungs. a greater amount of oxygen goes inside and out, which will help improve the vitality of the body. Keep continuing, please. Breathe in, breathe out, in, breathe out, breathe in, 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 breathe out. Last 3 more times. Breathe out, in, breathe out. Last 1 more time. Breathe out. Relax after that, please, with hands. Sit comfortably and easily. If you are sitting in Vajrasana, sit comfortably and easily with hands on top of your thigh, with hands palm wide open, facing towards to the ceiling, with eyes remains closed for a few moments, please. Just being with yourself for a few more moments. Just being with yourself, please. Slowly, keeping your eyes remains closed, become aware of your body and your surroundings. We'll conclude the session with a prana mantra. Pranasyendra vashe sarvam tridive yat pratishtitam mateva putran rakshasva shrishcha prajnamscha videhinaiti. With all the blessings of our elders and teachers who are responsible for us to be here, with all their blessings, slowly take your time in opening your eyes, please. Take your own time in opening your eyes. Thank you very much. Take your own time, please.